Right, so welcome to something a bit different today, guys. Today this is going to be system test 1 of what is, at the minute, it's a bit empty, but my alarm demo board. So I've only got a little bit on what I've got at the minute. I have bought some gent things and that to put on here, but they're not arrived yet, so I've got to wait for them. So we've got 2 Apollo Series 65s, one's optical, one's ion. We've got a door release thing that I had for a long time ago, a generic like strobe, haven't got that wide up, and this, I got given this, a Zyton like 10 unit or something. I do not know, tell me in the comments if you know what it is, because I'm really interested to know. So I'll show you the wiring. It's very rough at the minute. The strobe isn't wired up yet because I haven't been bothered to. It's at the minute very rough, but I've linked it to my panel just so I can test it. I will have it mounted up here at some point on this wall, but I've got to move these boxes and sort that out. So for the time being, we're demoing it outside. So for our first test, I have mini blowtorch and a bit of tissue or something, and we're just going to test the ion, because the ion works best with more smoky fires. So let's just, right, I'll be back when I get something to test. So I've got something better to test it with, so we're just going to spray our ion. That should be enough. That, and it set off the sounder in there. Let me just silence that. This is the wiring in the head. Don't mind me, just blowing out my smoke holes. And now we can reset that. Now we'll do our optical. Got that trigger. We'll just do the same thing. That's the one. This cool point I don't have a back box for, so I've just made that for now. Don't ask. So let's reset the panel. The door's open, of course, because I've got to have the wire going in. I will properly gland it all in the bottom and run through this beam, but I ain't been bothered yet. Next, we're going to test this cool point, but the problem is with this cool point, it seems to send the panel into fault. I don't know, I haven't. So, like I said, so it only makes it go fault, which is a bit odd, but yeah, I've got to rewire that at some point because I've wired it wrong. I hope you've enjoyed this quick little demo board test. I'll hopefully next week or the next week after a video coming out on this where I'll wire up some other devices that I should have coming. Hopefully a bit will be gent. I'm going to plan on putting a bit of addressable stuff on here, but not using it, and just to have the looks. Hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you soon.